Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're starting on assembling the Mk2. First of all, I'm going to start with the wiring harness. Put it in back pretty clean, pretty hidden. That's my plan for the car. So, gonna hang it in the car and yeah, let's do a little time lapse. I think that should show you guys how the work is going on. And that's how it looks if you don't check the wiring harness correctly. It looks so bullshit, so bad, so whew, I don't know what to say, but I don't care. The wiring I wanted to do today Yeah, it's done. You see the passenger side light, driver side light and main power. That's all the cables for the backlights and for the fuel pump. Then for the trunk. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today, and I will see you guys next time.